Hi guys, welcome back to the A2 About Anything YouTube channel. Today we're making banana bread. For this recipe, you'll need 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of coconut oil or melted butter, 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So for this recipe, the tools you'll need include 2 mixing bowls, some measuring cups and spoons, and a hand mixer. So let's begin. Our first step is to mix the bananas, egg, sugar, and melted coconut oil or butter in a small mixing bowl. Now that I have all of the ingredients in a bowl, I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix all of these ingredients. Now that we're done mixing, let's move on to the next step. In a separate bowl, mix the flour and baking soda. Use a spoon to mix the flour and baking soda. After you've mixed these 2 ingredients, add the banana mixture to this bowl. Using the hand mixer, mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. After you mix these 2 ingredients well, add the salt. Mix well once again. done mixing the batter, put the batter in a greased loaf pan. After you're done putting the batter in the greased loaf pan, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. After the banana bread is finished, insert a toothpick in the center. If the toothpick comes out clean like this, then your banana bread is ready. If it's not clean, then put the banana bread in the oven for a certain amount of time based on how much batter is stuck on your toothpick. If there's a lot of batter stuck on your toothpick, then put the banana bread in the oven for a lot of time. If there isn't a lot of batter on the toothpick, then put it for a little amount of time, like 5 to 10 minutes. Cool your banana bread for about 15 to 20 minutes. Your banana bread is ready. Enjoy!